What's up, everybody? It's John again with Home Buyer Louisiana. I am in a gutted house in Westwego. We love Westwego. This one's actually one of our colleagues who's another investor. Just another project that he picked up and I guess just decided he wanted to do something else. It's pretty standard issue. The framing may have to be redone. Some of the wood is a little eaten up. Not too bad though. I've seen way worse. But yeah, we like houses in this condition. They are pretty much a clean slate, so they're easy to work with. So if you have a house like this, see, we got a couple little spots that are gonna need some work where the walls are coming apart here. But yeah, if you got a house like this and you don't know what to do with it, you're ready to get rid of it, if you've inherited it or you just got an investment that you don't want to mess with anymore, you name it, we can probably help you out. Visit us on our website at homebuyerlouisiana.com, fill out the form for a free cash offer, and yeah, hopefully we can make something, work something out for you. Hope to talk to you soon, and yeah, thanks for watching.